Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the Realme Ui 3.0 update on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, right now the Realme GT Neo 2 users, they can actually apply for the early access update, so which has been rolling out for the Realme GT Neo 2 users. And I wanted to make this video just to be clear that please do not update to this Realme Ui 3.0. The main reason is because, so previously I did update to the Realme Ui 3.0 in my Realme X and Max device, and there are a lot of issues and a lot of bugs as well with this kind of Realme Ui 3.0 in this Realme X and Max device especially. So till now the few problems not got fixed. So in case if this Realme GT Neo 2 is your primary device and you don't have any other alternate phone, then don't update. I'm trying to mention again, don't update. Till now I did not receive any kind of Realme Ui 3.0 update in my device, but as soon as I receive, I'll try to start doing a lot of videos. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing and following my channel as well regularly, because I'll try to update you. But I did apply to the early access beta version. So right now the registration process is going on under review, as you can clearly see friends. So once I get the success, then I'll try to download it and I'll try to use it for next couple of days, and then I'll try to come back with full review. So till then, please wait and don't install. If you want, you can definitely register for the trial version and you'll get the download indication as well. Download and just keep it download, but don't install it, because as soon as you start installing and if you start using, there will be a lot of problems with the battery backup. Battery is the one thing which got really impacted in the Realme X and Max. Yes friends, it's very much impacted. So please be aware of that. And one more quick warning I'm trying to mention, in case this phone is your only one phone, if you're having, some users they do have 2 phones or 3 phones, but if this is your main phone, please do not update. There might be some problems with the battery, I'm saying again and again. So next thing is about the few Amazon Prime application and Netflix applications, it doesn't work properly, and even there will be some problems with the network connectivity as well. So that's what I did face with the Wi-Fi connection and 4G plus connection issues after the Realme Ui 3.0 update. So I'm trying to mention all these problems to you which can actually happen. And again, I don't want to see the comments saying that how to roll back, how to change to the Realme Ui 2.0, because I'm facing a lot of issues. I don't want to see these comments. So please, if you are okay to take this kind of risk, only then apply and you download and install and you can use it. If you don't want to take all this kind of risk and everything, and if you don't want to screw your phone at this moment, then wait for the stable version. So stable version will get some time, maybe close to 1 month or 2 months of time. Till then, all the early access users will try to give the feedback and it will get better and better. So meanwhile friends, don't download. I'm mentioning again because I did get a lot of comments on the Realme X and Max. So that's the reason I thought of making a video and explaining to further Realme GT Neo 2 users. So just to be careful before you actually download. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow my channel regularly. Today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, try to follow my channel regularly friends, because I'll try to keep you posted what's happening with the performance, battery, camera and display, all those factors. So make sure to follow my channel regularly for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned and don't forget to follow the playlist as well. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.